Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup Beauty channel. I'm Tigrepup and I'm here to show you how to shampoo your wig. Okay, so the first step in shampooing your wig is to get your strainer. As you can see, I'm going to show you two options from Walmart, and this prevents the shed hair from clogging your drain. So you most definitely are going to need that, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see here, I'm using the hair stopper and I'm putting that into place, and now we're going to get on to shampooing the hair. Okay, so now we're going to prepare to shampoo the hair. As you can see here, I'm using cold water, and I'm using cold water because this hair has a colorant and we don't want to stain our lace. But right here, I'm just making sure the hair is thoroughly saturated with water. And now I'm going to go with my favorite shampoo. I like Pantene, and I'm going to take the shampoo, emulsify it between my palms of my hands, and I'm going to gently put it in places all over the hair to make sure I get an even distribution of shampoo. And I may have to do one maybe two shampoos to make sure everything is thoroughly shampooed and cleansed before moving on to the next step. Okay, so once we're satisfied with how well we shampooed our hair, again, I'm going in with cold water, and I'm going to make sure I get all the suds out of the hair and make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, so now that the hair has been rinsed out thoroughly, I'm going to gently squeeze the excess water out of the hair, and making sure I don't squeeze too hard because I don't want to damage the combs and whatnot in the actual cap. Okay, so this completes our video on how to shampoo our hair. Please join me in the next video so that you can see how to condition the hair. Thanks for watching.